In this video, we've rounded 15 best altcoins to buy right now in November 2022 and provided a short description of each. Welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Ether. Ether is the cryptocurrency native to Ethereum, the global software platform that runs applications including smart contracts, games, and financial transactions through blockchain technology, as well as minting and storing NFTs, non-fungible tokens. It was launched in 2015 and has accrued a market capitalization of over £137 billion as of October 2022. Each Ether token is worth £1,149. Crypto saw its all-time high of £3,815.79 in August 2021. Number 2. LITECOIN LTC. Launched in 2011, LITECOIN was one of the earliest competitors to Bitcoin. It was developed by entrepreneur and computer scientist Charlie Lee. Like Bitcoin, LITECOIN is a proof-of-work cryptocurrency, meaning that new coins are created to reward miners for verifying and processing transactions on its blockchain. However, LITECOIN transactions are processed faster than transactions made through Bitcoin because it uses a newer algorithm known as script. As of October 2022, one LITECOIN was worth £47.09. The crypto reached its all-time high in May 2021, with each coin valued at £326.41. Number 3. Dogecoin Doge. What began as a tongue-in-cheek meme currency quickly became a crypto asset. Dogecoin was created in late 2013 using blockchain technology derived from LITECOIN and accompanied by a Shiba Inu dog logo. The coin is known for its humorous origins and unlimited supply, which has made it an attractive entry point to crypto for new investors. Dogecoin recently saw its value rocket to an all-time high of 58p, partly in response to Elon Musk's tweet about buying Tesla merchandise with Dogecoin. As of October 2022, Dogecoin's value has fallen to about 5p. Number 4. Bitcoin Cash BCH. Bitcoin Cash forked from the original Bitcoin in 2017 when a group of users wanted to increase the size of blocks in the blockchain, allowing them to contain more transactions. Other than this change, Bitcoin Cash functions similarly to Bitcoin itself, using the same proof-of-work mechanism to process transactions and capping the number of coins that can be in circulation to 21 million. As of October 2022, one Bitcoin Cash token is worth £102. Number 5. Tether UST. Launched in 2017, Tether is one of around 200 stablecoins. A stablecoin is tied to fiat currency, in this case, the US dollar. For every Tether coin issued, its creators keep $1 in reserve, and for every dollar cashed out, one Tether coin is destroyed. In theory, Tether retains a value of around $1.89 sterling at all times. This stability makes Tether a good option for transferring value between exchanges, since Tether holdings are more likely to retain a stable value than other, more volatile coins. However, stablecoins are not infallible. In early May 2022, another stablecoin, Terra USD, crashed, dropping from $1 to a low ebb of just $0.30 a coin. In response, investors cashed out millions of dollars they had put into other stablecoins, including Tether. In the following weeks, Tether's market capitalization dropped from $83 million, £65.6 million to $73 million, £57.7. Number 6. Cardano ADA. Cardano was created by Ethereum's co-founder Charles Hoskinson in 2017. It's the native cryptocurrency of the Cardano blockchain platform and uses proof-of-stake rather than proof-of-work to verify and process transactions. Proof-of-stake blockchains require considerably less energy than their proof-of-work counterparts, since this process uses an algorithm to select just one device in the decentralized network to verify each block of transactions, rather than having every device compete every time. On 3 October 2022, one Cardano was worth 37p. Its all-time high was £2.45, which it reached in September 2021. Number 7. XRP. XRP is a cryptocurrency best known for its use on the global money transfer network, Ripple. The cryptocurrency was first launched in 2012 on its own ledger. Unlike Bitcoin, XRP transactions are not verified through proof-of-work or proof-of-stake. Instead, transfers are processed by network participants known as validators. Making a transaction through Ripple incurs a small fee, a tiny fraction of one XRP token, which is destroyed. In May 2022, XRP had the sixth highest market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies. Each coin is worth around 39p as of October 2022. The number of CRP tokens that can ever be in circulation is capped at 100 billion. Number 8. MONERO, XMR. MONERO is a cryptocurrency best known for its privacy features. Launched in 2014, the coin operates on what's known as an opaque blockchain. This type of blockchain keeps the transactions it records anonymous through measures like disguising users' addresses and even the amount transferred. The coin is so focused on privacy that it does not comply with anti-money laundering procedures. MONERO is worth around £123 as of October 2022. The coin reached an all-time high value of £409.86 in May 2021. Number 9. Avalanche AVAX. Launched in 2020, Avalanche is the cryptocurrency native to the Avalanche blockchain. Like Ethereum, Avalanche is best known as a blockchain platform that uses smart contracts, but it also supports a wide range of other applications. The main advantage it has over Ethereum is its emphasis on transaction processing speed and efficiency. The network claims it can process 4,500 transactions every second. Avalanche users can also stake their coins and receive a small reward in exchange. Each coin was worth £14.87 in October 2022, and the crypto peaked at £115.78 in late 2021. Number 10. Solana Sol. Much like Ethereum and Avalanche, the Solana blockchain platform was built with the goal of hosting decentralized applications. Both the platform and its cryptocurrency launched in 2020. One key advantage of Solana is the platform's low transaction fees, which work out considerably cheaper than its competitors. The platform can process as many as 65,000 transactions a second, largely due to verifying them through a new proof of history process. This processing method adds a timestamp to each block, creating a permanent record of what transactions happen in what order. As of 3 October 2022, Solana is worth £28.78. Number 11. Polkadot. Market cap, $7.6 billion. This altcoin powers the Polkadot ecosystem, where developers can build specific purpose blockchains as spokes connecting to the main Polkadot blockchain hub, says Max Thick, co-founder of Peak, a blockchain network built on Polkadot. DOT is the native token for Polkadot. There is a sustained demand for DOT from projects aiming to build on Polkadot, he says. This altcoin has better shared security and is a leader in developer activity and many projects, says James Wove, CEO of blockchain and cryptocurrency investment firm Digital Finance Group. But project progress has been slow, and it lacks star applications to help boost its ecosystem, he says. Number 12. Polygon MATIC. Market cap, $7.3 billion. Polygon is an Ethereum-based scaling platform that allows developers to build dApps with low transaction fees. It allows people to process transactions on top of the Ethereum network, Lovin says. This solution increases efficiency and saves tons of money on gas transaction fees. Gas fees, a transaction fee, are usually cheaper on Polygon than on Ethereum. Number 13. Shiba Inu SHIB. Market cap, $6.9 billion. Like Doge, this is another meme coin, dubbed the Dogecoin killer. It's a joke based on a joke. Although it's based on the Ethereum blockchain, Shiba Inu is one altcoin not to invest in for a use case, although there are SHIB-based non-fungible tokens, NFTs, out there. That doesn't mean there's no investment case. Speculators can make a lot of money but lose it all with this highly volatile crypto asset. Number 14. TRON TRX. Market cap, $5.7 billion. TRON is a blockchain that developers can use to share media content and create decentralized applications. TRX also has a healthy total value locked, TVL, or amount of money deposited in decentralized finance. TVL is the total value of crypto assets deposited in a decentralized finance DeFi protocol such as staking, lending, or liquidity pools. A high TVL indicates the popularity of a protocol and the adoption rate of a particular cryptocurrency. Currently, TRX TVL stands at $5.2 billion according to DeFi Llama. Number 15. Binance Coin, BNB. Market cap, $4 to $6 billion. Binance Coin is a utility token that can be used to pay trading fees and get discounted trades on the Binance exchange. You can even use BNB outside the Binance crypto exchange for payment processing, such as booking travel arrangements. Critics say BNB isn't as decentralized as other altcoins. Another risk is a reported Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) investigation into whether Binance should have registered BNB as a security during its initial coin offering. So this was all for today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video tomorrow. Until then, peace out.